Choosing new earbuds these days feels a bit like choosing between two luxury cars. On one side, you've got Apple's shiny new AirPods Pro 3, packed with health sensors, smarter noise cancellation, and even real-time translation. On the other side, Sony's WF-1000XM5 is known for its audiophile sound, killer ANC, and endless customization options. Both want to be the earbuds you can wear anywhere, whether you're at the gym, on a flight, or just blocking out the chaos of your daily commute. The problem is, they're both so good that it's not an easy decision. So let's break it down and figure out which one really earns the title of the best premium earbuds. Let's start with design, because that's the first thing you notice when pulling either of these out of the case. Apple has refined the AirPods Pro formula with the third generation. They're a little more compact, and Apple actually went the extra mile by introducing 5 sizes of foam-infused tips, including a new extra small. That means whether you've got tiny ears or larger ones, there's likely a secure fit waiting for you. The overall shape has been tweaked using thousands of ear scans, so these aren't just designed for most people, they're genuinely designed for comfort across a wide range of ears. On the other side, Sony also took a big leap when it redesigned the WF-1000XM5. Compared to the chunkier XM4, these buds are now about 25% smaller and 20% lighter, weighing just around 5.5 grams each. They use memory foam ear tips, which give you a snug seal that blocks out passive noise while staying comfortable for hours. Between the two, the AirPods might feel slightly more seamless for Apple users, while the Sonys will win points with people who appreciate that custom memory foam fit. Durability and everyday practicality are also worth mentioning. Apple upgraded the Pro 3 to an IP57 rating, meaning they're resistant to both water and dust. That makes them solid companions for sweaty workouts or even running in the rain. Sony's WF-1000XM5 carries an IPX4 rating, splash resistant but without dust protection. If you're someone who trains outdoors a lot, Apple might give you more peace of mind. Moving into audio quality, this is where preferences and ecosystems really come into play. The AirPods Pro 3 sound better than any AirPods before them. Apple redesigned the acoustic architecture and boosted bass response while keeping vocals crisp. Adaptive EQ automatically adjusts your music to your ear shape, and if you're using Apple Music, you can take advantage of spatial audio with head tracking. It's a very Apple-like experience. Clean, balanced, and immersive, but tailored for people fully invested in the Apple ecosystem. Sony, on the other hand, is known for chasing audiophile-friendly sound, and the WF-1000XM5 doesn't disappoint. With its new 8.4mm driver and support for high-resolution codecs like LDAC and LC3, you get more detail, more flexibility, and a warmer, fuller sound that Android users in particular will love. Sony's Headphones Connect app also gives you granular EQ controls, letting you shape your sound the way you want. In contrast, Apple keeps tuning locked down, assuming you'll be happy with its out-of-the-box signature. If you want plug-and-play simplicity, AirPods win. If you're the type to tweak and demand absolute control, Sony wins. Of course, one of the biggest reasons people buy these premium earbuds is active noise cancellation, and both brands claim to offer the best in the business. Apple went bold this year, marketing the AirPods Pro 3 as having the world's best ANC. According to Apple, they cancel twice as much noise as the Pro 2 and 4 times as much as the originals. In practice, these things really shine on airplanes, public transit, or in busy streets, letting you carve out a pocket of silence almost anywhere. Sony, though, is no slouch. The WF-1000XM5 combines 2 processors with 6 microphones across the buds to block out sound, and its ANC has been considered industry-leading for years. If you sit them side by side, the AirPods Pro 3 might edge out slightly in raw cancellation, particularly in higher pitch noises, but Sony remains phenomenal for low-frequency hums like engines and trains. In short, you're getting best-in-class performance no matter which one you choose. So how do they compare on calls and microphones? AirPods Pro have traditionally excelled in this area, and the Pro 3 continue that streak, offering clear call quality even in windy conditions. Sony improved the XM5 mics compared to older models, and they're perfectly serviceable for calls and video chats, but they can struggle more in heavy wind or chaotic environments. If you take calls constantly and want the best reliability, Apple is still ahead here. Now let's talk about features, because this is where things get interesting. AirPods Pro 3 have gone beyond just music. They include a built-in heart rate sensor that uses infrared tech to pulse hundreds of times a second, effectively turning your earbuds into a mini health device. You can track workouts across more than 50 activities in the fitness app without needing an Apple Watch. That's a first for earbuds and makes them a unique companion for fitness enthusiasts. Apple also introduced live translation through Apple Intelligence, which can translate conversations in near real time for supported languages, though frustratingly, this isn't available in the EU due to regulatory restrictions. Sony doesn't have heart rate tracking or live translation, but it does bring its own set of smart tricks. The XM5 supports adaptive sound control that learns your behavior, say lowering ANC when you're at the office, but cranking it up on your commute. You also get multi-point Bluetooth, letting you connect to 2 devices at once, and seamless support for Google's Fast Pair and Find My Device. These are the kind of features that make life easier without you even thinking about them. Battery life is another area to consider. Apple promises up to 8 hours of playback on the AirPods Pro 3 with ANC on, which is about 33% longer than the Pro 2. Switch to transparency or hearing aid mode and you can push closer to 10 hours. The trade-off comes with the case, which now delivers around 24 hours total compared to the 30 hours offered by the Pro 2. Sony's WF-1000XM5 also gives you about 8 hours with ANC on and around 24 hours with the case. Some users even report stretching that to 10 or 11 hours depending on settings. Both cases support wireless charging and fast charging, though Sony advertises 3 minutes of charging for an hour of playback, which is handy if you're rushing out the door. Battery life, then, is pretty much a draw, with small nuances depending on your usage patterns. So, which should you buy? If you're an Apple user looking for the cleanest integration and you love the idea of health tracking in your earbuds, go for the AirPods Pro 3. If you're someone who craves richer sound, customizability, and the flexibility to use your earbuds across any platform, the Sony WF-1000XM5 is your best bet. Either way, you're getting top-of-the-line earbuds that represent the very best of what 2025 has to offer.